Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, if you can track down this exact deal, we're talking 33-cent Olay body washes, which is a steal of a deal. These are the little bit more expensive ones, and I know a lot of you really enjoy Olay body wash, myself included. Now, in case you are from the Midwest, I just want to touch on one little thing before we talk about the deal. Meijer grocery store went 90% as of Thursday the 8th. So you still might want to look at the toy section, the pet section, body wash, whatever they might have at the front on display. 90% off. I even heard that some bicycles and some grills are also 90% off. So go and scour your store. This is a grocery store, Midwest only. Go and look. Just to preface, it is the Christmas merch at 90% off. Again, look for candles, anything with holly, trees. Go and be a detective in the store. Now we're at Walgreens and we're looking specifically for the $8 Olay Ribbons body wash. That little item, bottom right-hand corner. That's what we're looking for. Now the Olay Ribbons in the app is priced at $8, which is typically always the price. It is these fancier ones, and why we're grabbing the Olay Ribbons is because there's an IBOTTA rebate to go with. So we're going to load this little friend, which is the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. As you can see, it has a quick little expiry date, so use it quickly. Now over on IBOTTA, we have $1 back with a limit of up to 3. And for this, in the fine print, it includes the premium brand, which is that longer bottle. And at the bottom, see how it has the moisture ribbons, or the ribbons one. So definitely open up your IBOTTA app to ensure that that everything's attaching, and you're just not grabbing absolutely any old Olay, because you kind of need that IBOTTA money to work in concert with the deal. So you really have to pay attention. A, is the rebate there? And is it attaching properly? Because sometimes with Olay, it is and it isn't. I've seen that before in the past. Okay, so just to jog you through the first transaction that I have for you, if you have no boosters, grabbing 3 Olay body washes, that's going to be $24 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward, and then photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $11 for 3, or $3.66 per body wash. Considering that even on a sales week, they're $8, so that's about 50% off, which is not bad, but I can't stress it enough. Open up the app of IBOTTA, double, triple check that what you're buying is in fact attaching for that dollar rebate, and that you have the rebate there so you don't, miss out on some money, because that would be the worst. Final deal that I have prepared for you will include a paper booster, the 5 back when you spend $20, and those were printing yesterday in store, along with that $5 on any purchase if you still might have one of those lingering around. That is of a one-time use, the bottom digital one, so if you didn't use it and you were like, I don't care about anything this week, this would definitely be the deal to do. And I know that those boosters printing out, I think I got 2 on one of my cards yesterday, and it was like a big Price is Right moment seeing those pop out of the machine, the top paper booster. So doing it this way, you would grab again 3 body washes for $24. Subtracting that digital coupon that I showed you in the slides previous, you're going to pay $19 with your debit card. As you're using the spend $20 to earn back $5, that paper booster, you have to pay with the balance with your debit card. Now, if you wanted to throw in any manufacturer register rewards, say from Colgate or Tresemme or Garnier, to get a lower out-of-pocket, absolutely do it. But the balance of whatever it is, you got to pay with your debit card. Make sure you have that digital $5 any booster loaded, along with get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You're going to get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA. Plus you're getting $10 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the any deal, and then the 5 back when you spend $20. It makes it $1 for the 3, or 33 cents per body wash. Remember, Olay Ribbons, that very fancy bottle. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using one spend booster. Try and do this deal by Saturday the 10th, and double triple check that IBOTTA rebate is there and that it is attaching to what you're grabbing, because sometimes with OLAY a little bit fussy. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye guys.